Hi, I'm India. I'm the workshop coordinator for the printmaking workshop. So in the printmaking workshop, you can work with a wide range of printmaking techniques from chemical etching and aquatint, dry point, monoprint, colorgraph, lino cut, wood cut, typesetting and screen printing. You can also learn to make your own sketchbooks in one of our bookbinding sessions. So we have a range of rare and specialist equipment that all students can use to produce prints. And we have quite a good balance between traditional manual print processes and cutting-edge photographic techniques also. We have 4 etching presses in the workshop, 3 large ones and 1 smaller one. We also have 2 relief presses dating back to the 1800s. We have 2 vacuum screen beds and a range of screens from A3 up to A1 in size. So there is inking up space for 8 people at one time, and we also have a clean area for the prep of artwork as well as bookbinding and the finishing off of prints. We have a shop where you can purchase all manner of printmaking consumables such as lino, metal plate for etching. You can also hire lino tools from us, and we stock a wide range of specialist printmaking papers also. So when in the space, it's important that you wear appropriate footwear, so your whole foot must be covered. It's also important that you wear clothes that you don't care about. Aprons and overalls are encouraged. If you have long hair, you must make sure it's tied back, and anything loose or dangly, such as necklaces or scarves, need to be tucked away. And most importantly, you must not bring food and drink into the workshop, as these can easily be contaminated with ink or chemicals. So yes, in our opinion, print is awesome. So we look forward to welcoming you to make some prints soon.